Hey YouTube, welcome to another Sketchware tutorial. So today I'm going to talk about a question that a developer asked me in my YouTube channel. So the question was, I have recently made a video how to set a list map number values to maximum to minimum and minimum to maximum. So if you don't have any idea about that, I'll put my YouTube link in the description below so you can get and watch and get an idea. So I have made the project, so I have already made. So as you can remember, if you have watched that video, if you haven't watched, make sure you watch it, so else you won't understand. Make sure you watch the full video because you won't understand how it works and how it will be working. So the question was, he wanted to get, actually I will show you how it works firstly. So I have set of number like five numbers: 99, 69, 17, 17, and above. So I have a kind of number, so I'm gonna make it as short map to mean max to me, so maximum to minimum and minimum to maximum. So first of all I will show the project. Okay, let's start at open. So if you add data, so it will be adding some data like 17, 66, 17, again 98, 1. So if I short for maximum to minimum, it will say like 98, 66, 17, 17, 1. So it's like that. So the question was how to get the third lowest value. So the third lowest value is 1, 17, 17, and 66. It's 66, and you how to get the 66 value. Like 17 is the same, so it's not the lowest third lowest one, but it's the 66 value. So the question was how to get that 66 value after shorting to maximum to minimum. So let's start to work on it. So the question is like kind of how to prevent of duplicating numbers and kind of that. So how to get lowest is you just need to put a button, and I have already implemented the codings, and I show the codings. I have a long list of blocks. So this was the coding I have implemented. Okay, done. So I have created a variable called ccc, and I'm getting the map from new list map -3, which is the position of the list. I create a pre version, and this is the code, and I have used the forever loop, and I have decreased the value, and when the value is equal to that, so if it should be not equal to 0, else if it's 0, then it will be like the version will be incorrect and you would get an error sum of the application. So this is the code implementation. Make sure you watch it and take some screenshots and get it. And as you can see, after that, then if it's equal, then you won't take, and it should be after again looped, and it should decrease the value. And if it's not equal to 0, then sorry, if it's not equal to the same value, then it should break and get the text and file. So let's try to run it and see how it works. So make sure if you have any question regarding Sketchware or understood, let me know in the comment section. I will help you and make tutorial fast as fast, so you will understand how it works and how it won't work. So this is kind of a simple project, but it's most important for many users. So if you want the project, let me know. I will put the project in Sketchware project store. So I will put the link in description in that also, so you can get it and download it if you lazy to code. So okay, so I'm going to just add the data and show to max to min, and it's 19, 66, 17, 17, 1. Then if you click get third low, so it's 66 as you can see. So the third lowest value is 66. So let's try to change the values. Okay, so how to change the value is you go to the add data of these values. So I'm going to put something like 17 here also. Okay, so it will be like I have 370, so the lowest value will be 98. Okay, so let's run the project. Okay, install. Okay, let's try to open it. Okay, done. So I'm gonna add the data. So show max to min, so it's the lowest value should be 98. So let's wait, get it, and it's 98. As you can see, it's 98. So it's like 1, 17, 17, 17, but they are same, but the lowest value is 98. So hope you understand this video, and if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, because in future I'm gonna add more videos day by day. I'm uploading videos about new content of technology, new content of Sketchware tutorials and Android Studio as well. So hope you like this video and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.